Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
All right, so we're in this place. This is the go-kart place where you get them rented. We're getting the 3. Did I get it backwards too? No, you good. I'm good. That's why it didn't fit right. And they got helmets out here, and here's the tour. You get to take. They basically charge you for by the time, depending on the time that you want. If you stay there longer, they charge you more for it. And the car takes you around and tells you where to go. It has a GPS that gives you directions. Check out the place right here. They got a whole bunch of them right here. See? And you have to return them right in the same spot. All right.
Which one? Did we pick anyone?
So
Did we pick any car?
Oh yeah. No, the key is
it's right here. Oh, numbers right here. 41. And we just find 41.
Next woman?
No, I'm good. You good?
The way we go there, how many bathrooms can we stop in there?
Oh, there is. It's just I'm not sure if they're open because of COVID.
Yeah, I think
Right.
closing.
So bring an empty bottle.
No. You can, but I can't. Yeah.
All right, so we gotta watch that video. We're heading out.
We're starting here, starting right now. 1, 2, 3. We breathe it in. We feel our hearts, they're pounding, rising up to feel the fire dance wild through our veins. We take a chance and know we'll never be the same. Giving it all we got, giving it all.
Wow, this thing is loud when it's running. Oh my gosh. But I want to show you this right here, this view of the Golden Gate Bridge. And it's cloudy, so you can't see the whole thing. You can only see the top of the bottom of it. The top of it is covered by clouds. You see that over there? There it is. We will drive through there tomorrow, so you will get a closer view. And tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny. Huh?
Lighthouse?
It's like a small lighthouse right there, yeah.
Old one.
Yeah. But tomorrow's supposed to be sunny, and we should be able to see it. And we will take a video of us passing through the Golden Gate Bridge.
Actually, honey, you see Alcatraz?
Oh yeah, Alcatraz is right there.
The big.
Look at that.
Honey?
That's Alcatraz.
Those spots is better because you don't have to move right here.
Yeah, this is some cool boats over here. Anyway, check it out. All right, so we're gonna keep driving down this route, and it's gonna take us to the footsteps of the Golden Gate Bridge, so we will get a closer look. All right, another stop right here. Getting close to the Golden Gate. There's Alcatraz again, and there's none. How was your ride on that go-kart?
Good.
Good.
Not so good.
Not so good, she said. It's loud. Oh, she found blackberries, wild blackberries, and she's gonna eat it, I'm sure. Yes, she is.
Oh my god. Good.
Good?
They're sweet.
They're sweet. All right, we'll see you at the Golden Gate with this little beast right here. All right, and there you have it, the Golden Gate Bridge. Boom. Part of the National Park Service. So this is a national park too. See? Continuing our tour into national parks. Golden Gate Bridge. Don't go jumping.
That spot for golden, you see?
Oh yeah.
Ah, this is ocean.
Yeah. Pretty overcast today. And there's downtown. There you go.
We breathe it in. We feel our hearts, they're pounding. Rising up to feel the fire that's wild through our veins. We take a chance and know we'll never be the same. Giving it all we got. Giving it all we can. Giving it all we got.
There it is, at the feet of the Golden Gate Bridge. Look at that. Look at that. That's the speed demon right there. By the way, a lot of fun these go-karts, okay? Just want you to know that. Very easy to pull over and stop anywhere. Very cool. We made it to San Francisco. Yeah. And downtown, right there. I don't know if you can see it. I know it's cloudy. This is really awesome. And if you're wondering, you're out on a 3-hour trip, there are places to go to the bathroom. Right there is one of them. And we passed a couple more over there. So you do have options. So we had no idea that here in San Francisco there were buffalo just walking and roaming around this park. Like buffalo, like real buffalo.
Yeah, they put
down there.
I needed to add in a map.
They did?
Yeah. I didn't believe. I thought they're joking, you know.
I thought they were joking too.
Yeah. I think they bring them here like a zoo.
Like real buffalo.
Like a zoo and live in here.
Yeah. That's interesting.
They don't live here.
Had no idea.
They're like a different climate, like a Yellowstone.
Yeah. Well, learn something every day. We're gonna go see the real wild ones in although these ones are not caged up either. That's weird. There is no cage. Oh yeah, there is a cage.
Yeah.
Never mind, they're caged up. They're not wild. Alright, we're gonna go see the real wild ones in Yellowstone in a couple of days. Let's continue on with our super speed demon bike. Yet another stop in our go-kart tour. Presidio Park. There it is. Presidio. Still National Park Service. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you can sit on it too.
Oh, wait, is it?
Yeah. You're welcome. And check out the view. You can see Alcatraz. You can see, look at that. Beautiful, huh?
The thing's scarier than the car. Oh, it's a bad idea.
That's a bad idea? Oh, yeah!
Stop calling. You make me know it right now.
Make you nervous? Look at the view over there, too.
So what is it called?
Look at the view. Wow.
What is it called? Everybody comes
You
in.
know, I forgot, but you can say now that we've driven through, huh?
It's like a park, like a little park, no?
It's a street. I don't know what they call it. We'll put it up here in the video.
The path circle.
Yeah. Yeah, and there are no pedestrians allowed on this street. It is very winding for sure. There you go.
Okay, that's the end. What you doing? You mean to people? Bye bye. I don't turn off. Okay? It's done?
Yeah, you can. Oh, look at that! Look at Alcatraz. Ah, look at Alcatraz. And we made it back alive. You have fun?
My back.
Your back hurt.
My whole body.
It was 3 hours. 3 hours of touring around. Very cool. Very cool. We have fun. Definitely recommend it. Okay. All right. What are we doing next? Oh, Chinatown?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Chinatown. Get some sweets over there and no? Yeah, come on. We'll figure it out.